Did you know? One of the earliest universities in the world was founded in Istanbul. Although not founded by the name of university, it was a school that formed the basis for modern universities. It combined various disciplines. It was established as a palace school. Senior teachers gave lectures there. Important people graduated from it. This idea of university should be the proposal of the emperor's wife, Evdokya. Evdokya was an educated woman, a poet. Her father was a rhetoric teacher at the Athens Academy. This higher education institution, which was founded by the Byzantine Emperor Theodosius II in 425 under the roof of the Magnaura Palace, was the University of Constantinople.